Spirituality has been an essential part of human existence for thousands of years. It is a journey towards the discovery of oneself and a connection with the divine. People practice spirituality in different ways, and it is a highly personal and subjective experience. There is no one way to practice spirituality, and individuals are free to explore different methods to find what works best for them. In this article, we will explore some common methods of spiritual practice. Meditation. Meditation is a widely known and practiced method of spiritual practice. It involves quieting the mind and focusing on the breath or a specific thought or mantra. Meditation has been shown to have numerous benefits, including reducing stress, anxiety, and depression, improving focus and concentration, and promoting a sense of inner peace and well-being. There are many different types of meditation, including mindfulness meditation, loving-kindness meditation, and transcendental meditation. Yoga. Yoga is another popular method of spiritual practice that has been around for thousands of years. It involves physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. Yoga is not just a physical practice, but also a mental and spiritual practice that promotes a connection between the body, mind, and spirit. It has been shown to have numerous benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety, improving flexibility and balance, and promoting a sense of inner peace and well-being. Prayer. Prayer is a common method of spiritual practice in many religions. It involves communicating with a higher power or divine being through words or thoughts. Prayer can be done in many different ways, including silently or out loud, alone or in a group, and in a specific location or anywhere. Prayer has been shown to have numerous benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of comfort and peace, and providing a connection with a higher power. Journaling. Journaling is a method of spiritual practice that involves writing down one's thoughts and feelings. It can be done in a physical journal or on a computer or mobile device. Journaling allows individuals to process their emotions, reflect on their experiences, and gain insights into their inner selves. It has been shown to have numerous benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety, improving self-awareness, and promoting a sense of clarity and understanding. Mindfulness. Mindfulness is a method of spiritual practice that involves being present in the moment and fully engaged in the current experience. It involves paying attention to one's thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Mindfulness has been shown to have numerous benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety, improving focus and concentration, and promoting a sense of inner peace and well-being. There are many different ways to practice mindfulness, including mindfulness meditation, mindful eating, and mindful breathing. Service. Service is a method of spiritual practice that involves helping others and contributing to the greater good. It can involve volunteering, donating to charity, or simply being kind to others. Service promotes a sense of connection with others and a greater purpose in life. It has been shown to have numerous benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of well-being and fulfillment, and improving overall physical and mental health. Chanting. Chanting is a method of spiritual practice that involves repeating a word or phrase, often in a rhythmic or melodic way. It can involve singing, humming, or reciting a mantra. Chanting has been shown to have numerous